Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In today's Linux tip, we're going to look at the dstat command that provides important information on system resources, notably CPU usage, disk activity, network traffic, paging, and system internals. In this first command, I'm just going to type dstat and let it go. We do this, then every few seconds we get another line of information, and it will go on and on until we type Control-C. If I want to see a limited display, I can provide dstat with some parameters. Say I want to see two second intervals and only 3 of them. Then I could do this. Now the first line in that output are the measurements since the system was first booted. Then we get a couple of our 2-second intervals following that. In this first section here, we can see information about CPU usage. We can see the system has been largely idle since it first started running. But right now, we're spending our time between user activity and system activity. Over here, we see we have some notable disk read and write activity over the time since the system was booted, and that we're doing some small amount of disk writing right now. We can also see network traffic over here, what the packets that are sent and received. So we have a little bit of network activity going on as well. No paging, and we do have some system activity, interrupts, and context switches. This system is obviously not very busy. If our system has more than one CPU, you can view the activity of each CPU separately along with the combination of the two with a command like this. Now we see it's looping again. It's going to go on indefinitely, so I'm going to wait a bit and then Control-C. Okay, what do we have here? Here's system, the CPU 0. Over here we have a CPU 1. We see how much time each one of the CPUs is spending in user and system activity. Over the long run, both CPUs have been largely idle. And over here we see CPU usage and disk activity. Now you notice over on the right here, we see all these greater than signs. What that means is that there's more information over there. And if we stretch out our screen and do the same thing again, we'll see that it has more to tell us. Well, that's your 2-minute Linux tip for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.